Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's video, we will break down the WinCC system messages, what they mean, and how you can use them to monitor your system effectively. Whether you are managing alarms, tracking data, or troubleshooting communication issues, these messages will help you. Let's dive right in. System messages in the WinCC help you track the health and status of SCADA environment. They give you real-time feedback about various components such as the runtime engine, communication channels, alarms, and user actions. Each message has a specific prefix to indicate where it's coming from. So now let's take a close look at some of the common message type, and you will encounter and these meanings. So as you can see here in the first row and the message text column, the prefix is USERT. So what is the meaning? It's a user management messages. This user management message is useful for tracking login and logout activities or permission changes. And similar manner, once you can see here one also prefix is there, WCCRT. So what is that? That is a WinCC runtime messages. These indicate the status of runtime such as startup or shutdown. So as you can see here, once the runtime is active, so it's giving us the message, and similar manner it's also giving us the communication status also. System messages are invaluable for troubleshooting. Imagine your PLC connection drop. WinCC will generate a message indicate the loss, followed by another when the connection is restored. Reviewing these log help you point out exactly when issue occur and how long they lasted. So as you can see here in this is showing that 7:55 a.m. the communication is lost, and after just 20 seconds the communication is again established. And similar manner you will get many other logs in the system messages. So let's see how we can configure in the WinCC SCADA these system messages. So our previous tutorial we already developed this project, so we'll use the same. Come here in the alarm logging, right click, open it. And then come here in the system messages. You can select particular message also, but in this tutorial video, I'm just selecting all messages. Right click here and select all. Close it. Then come here in the graphic designer, open the alarm screen, open it. And this already in our previous tutorial, we already create this alarm screen and we just use this alarm control and drag and drop it here. Now right click for the system messages, it will only appear in the long long-term archive list. So I will select it from here and press OK and just save it. Okay, so that's it. So I will run the project. So our runtime graphic is open now. Just click here in the alarms. So as you can see, the our historical logging alarm page is open now. And if I will click here in the system messages, it will filter out the only system messages, whatever the relevant to system message. Okay, so here I will first I will show you if I will disconnect my PLC. So as you can see right now my PLC connected. I will stop it. So just between SCADA and the PLC communication will disconnect. So if I will come here, you can see is showing that the connection S7400 is disconnected. I will just filter out. As you can see, the connection is disconnected. If I will put again in run mode by PLC controller, so now you can see it's showing that PLC is connected now. So here you can see just I disconnected for the few seconds. Similar manner, if I will log in with any user account, okay, let me put again the password. Okay, so here you can see even when I put potentially the wrong password, it's also giving me the indication invalid login username or password. And once I enter the correct password, it's giving me the status, the manual login. And similar manner, once I will click at logout, it will also give me the status of logout, manual logout detail. So there's lots of other messages you will get it. Just for this tutorial video, I just simulate few of the messages. And how I configure this button to filter out the system messages from this historical list. So come here and come in the system messages, event, mouse, and then press left, right click, VB actions. And I just put the same previous filtration, query filtration script. And here just these all changes is there. As you can see here the type, the this type is a process control. Okay, so I want just filter. If I will click here all, I just filter. I can filter with the class also. Okay, there's a lots of way you can filter it. I just for the in the previous tutorial I already filtered the alarms or events through class, but here I'm just giving you the new way. I am filtering the these all events through class type. So for the class type, in the WinCC, you cannot directly put the just class name. You have to put the class type ID. So for that, you have to come here in the alarm logging area, and these two classes is for the system messages. So one is require acknowledgement and one is without acknowledgement. So here you can see the message type is 273 and operator input message type 274 and same notification 275. So I just in my script put type 273, 274, and here I can put 275 and just press OK. So once you click it here, it will give you the all of the log. So that's it for today. So Alhamdulillah, we learned how we can configure the system messages inside the WinCC SCADA. So thanks for watching this video.